Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding or removing map icons on the Nissan Qashqai. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can choose which type of establishments and locations are shown to you on your map by changing the map icons. Follow the steps to learn how to add or remove map icons on the Nissan Qashqai. Tap Settings in the bottom right corner of the infotainment system screen. Choose Navigation from the options. Then tap Map Settings. Tap Map Icons. Here you can choose which icons that you would like to be shown on the map. When there is an orange dot to the left of On, that icon is turned on and will be shown on your map. Tap on an icon to have it show or not show on the map. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nissan Qashqai tips and tricks.